nested in the lap of the Himalayas, where tiny steam engine train still heads for its destination. Place where cold winds make a touch throughout the year, and the place where ice runs through beautiful landscape and tea garden. It is none other than Darjeeling, Queen of the Hill. Located in the state of West Bengal, place is famous for its natural beauty and tea production. Standing at the elevation of 6,560 feet, it has successfully made itself second home to the foreigners and domestic tourists. Your traveling journey to Darjeeling will start from Bagdogra Airport or New Jalpaiguri railway station. To travel with private car, you should book the cab from prepaid taxi services, which costs rupees 3000 for Innova or Jailo and rupees 2500 for small cars. And for sharing car, it will charge you rupees 150 per person by SUV vehicle like Sumo and Bolero from Siliguri. You will reach Darjeeling via Kurseong, Sonada and home. Evening time can be spent in Chaurasta or in the local market. Market has many local made handicraft goods and Darjeeling tea to offer. For Darjeeling sightseeing, if you do not have the pre-booking cab, then you can take the cab from club stand or from the front of Bhanu Bhavan stand. Innova or Jailo will charge you rupees 3000 to 3500 and small car will charge you rupees 2000 to 2500 as per the season. You can also book the vehicle from local travel agent. Your first point will be sunrise view at Tiger Hill. You have to reach there by 4 to 5 in the morning. Sunrise view from Tiger Hill is one of the best view in the world. The reflection of sun rays in Kanchenjunga is mind-blowing. After Tiger Hill, vehicle will take you to hotel and your next round of sightseeing will start after the breakfast. Ghum Monastery. This monastery was built in the year 1850 by Lama Sera. It has beautiful thanka on the walls with fancy bells and drums. Batasia Loop. Toy train passes from this loop. It has a war memorial inside. It commemorates the Gokha soldiers who sacrificed their lives in various wars after the independence. You need to buy the tickets to visit this point. Peace Pagoda. This building construction is done in Japanese style. It is located at Jalpahar region, 10 minutes drive from the town. It was built by Japanese monk Fuji. Ava Art Gallery. It was established by late Ava Devi and Bhopal Rao Seth. Still Strong and Torture are the two important paintings in this gallery. Tibetan Refugee Center. This refugee center is located 20 minutes away from the main town at Levong. They produce handicrafts which is exported around the globe. Himalayan Mountaineering Institute. It is one of the premier mountaineering institutes and is recognized as one of the best mountaineering institutes in the world. It is located just at 1 kilometer away from the town. Himalayan Zoological Park. It is internationally recognized for its conservation breeding programs of red panda, snow leopard, Tibetan wolf, and other highly endangered animals in India. This is the largest high altitude zoo. Darjeeling Rangit Ropeway. Darjeeling Ropeway or cable car station is located at Singmari, which is 3 kilometers away from the main town. It is the best way to experience the panoramic view of the surroundings. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. It has been accorded the UNESCO World Heritage status. Operating on narrow gauge tracks since 1880s, it has been main source of tourist attraction. For joyride, it runs from Darjeeling station to Ghum. It runs via Batasia Loop. Tenzing and Gampu Rock. These rocks are used for rock climbing training by HMI. Both the rocks are located at Levong Cart Road. It is 20 minutes drive from the main town. Happy Valley Tea Estate. To see the tea processing, you can visit the Happy Valley Tea Estate, which is located about 3 kilometers away from the main town. This is the nearest tea estate from Darjeeling town. You can see the beautiful tea garden on the hill slope. Employees of the factory acts as a guide at the time of your visit. Now I will take you to some more visiting points which won't be in your itinerary cost. To visit some such places you have to walk, or in some places you have to pay extra to the drivers. Observatory Hill. This place is on a hilltop to observe the panoramic views of the mountains and has Mahakal temple at the top. It is located at the mall areas. You have to walk to reach this point. Love Road. It starts near ropeway station at Singmari and ends close to the Tibetan Refugee Center. It is mud road and not motorable. Walking will be only the option. Rock Garden. It is located 10 km away from Darjeeling town. Entire garden area has been created by cutting rocks at different levels. There is wonderful waterfalls that comes from the top and over the rocks to down below. Here vehicle will charge you rupees 1500 for the visit. Ganga Maya Park. 3 kilometers from the rock garden, Ganga Maya Park is located. There you will see the foothills of mountains that comes from all the side and natural water stream flowing through it. Strawberry Nightingale Park. It is located about 15 minutes walk from Chaurasta Mall on Jawar Prabat Road behind Raj Bhavan. It is beautiful public park area. Chaurasta. It is heart of the Darjeeling town. Here many local comes here to make their leisure time more fruitful. You can enjoy horse riding and also have local delicious cup of tea. Botanical Garden. Here you will see indigenous Himalayan plantation. Here you will come across different varieties of flowers and plants. To reach there you have to walk downwards from the Eden Hospital. Apart from those points, you can also make day excursion to Miri. It is one way 2.5 hours of drive. On the way you can also visit Pasupati, Nepal border. Vehicle will stop there for quick visit to Nepal border. At Mirik you can spend lots of time at Mirik Lake. If you plan to make your night stay at Mirik, then many good hotels and homestays are available at reasonable cost. To make your tour more adventure at Darjeeling, you can plan for short trek to Sandakpur, or you can go for bird watching at Singchel. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like it then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.
मेरा दीवाना यारों मैं तो चला दिल है मेरा दीवाना।